Hi everyone, my name is Kevin Wijaya from Indonesia, and in this video I'll be explaining my final project for Harvard CS50. So the title of my final project will be Chronicle, and I've launched this website on a domain for itself, and it's available at chronicle.space. So Chronicle is a productivity tool with a goal to maximize your working hours by organizing your tasks. I am here right now in the home page of Chronicle, and as we can see here on the home page, we have a few elements on it. We have a navigation bar on top, and then we also have a heading and a few paragraphs here, and a control call to action button, as well as a screenshot of the dashboard that I'll be showing you in a second. And when I scroll lower to the page, we also have a few more elements, we have a few more headings, we have a few more images, as well as a few more call to action buttons. And on the very bottom part of the page, I have a footer where I have all the links available here for users when they want to go to certain parts of the page. What I want to do now is that I'll want to click on the login button because I have an account already. So in the login part of the page, I will have to insert my full name, my email address, as well as my password. But for first-time users, they will need to click on the sign up button because their data has not been inserted into the users table. So this is the initial look of the dashboard. We are first taken into the activities part of the page, and what I can do here, the activities part of the page, is that I can click on add an activity. Like for instance, say I want to I have a new activity about completing my mathematics homework. So what I can do is that I can type in do mathematics homework, and I can click on the add activity button. And once I'm done, I'll be able to click on the tick button right here, and it will remove the text completely from view. And besides the activities, I also have a few more pages, like the home page here. We have notifications, trending, and for you. And we also have notifications, because right now we don't have any notifications just yet. It will only show me a productivity code. And also we have a few resources where I uploaded a few articles about productivity. And here, when I click on my account button, it will take me to the account settings page. I don't really have anything here just yet. I'm only able to see my full name and my email address. And if I click on sign out, it will take me to the initial part of the page where I first landed. So this is my final project, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for your attention.